What is that?
That is the Pharaoh's Golden Scepter, the most important treasure in this exhibition.
Is it real?
Very real, very old too.
What is on the top?
A golden cobra. Look carefully at this scepter. I may ask you about it later.
A golden cobra. I'll remember that.
It's beautiful.
You know a lot about it. I should. I've worked here for 12 years. This museum feels like my second home.
Dad, look! 3D ancient animals. Mammoths and saber-toothed cats. I want to see that too.
First, stay with us. The museum is closing soon.
Lewis! Why are you still here? I was helping this family, Director Cole. Then go back to work! Check the West Wing again! I already checked it. Check it again.
He looks angry.
Director Cole will retire soon. He has been in a bad mood lately.
Mom, can Peter and I go to the restroom? Please.
Okay, but be quick. Anna, stay with Peter.
We'll wait here by the scepter.
We'll be fast. After this, can we see the 3D animals? First, we go back to Mom and Dad. Done. Let's go.
Attention, please. Leave the building immediately. This is an emergency evacuation.
What? Is there a fire? Run! No, we can't get through! It won't open! We need another way! Anna! Peter!
They just went to the restroom. Please go outside now. We will check the restrooms.
My children are still inside.
They're just down that hall. Sir, ma'am, please. We must clear the building first.
Please bring them out.
We will. Come on. We'll wait outside.
Anna, Peter.
I don't like this. Stay close. Are Mom and Dad outside? Probably. We just need a staff member. Wait, someone's there. Good. Maybe they can help us.
The alarm worked perfectly. We only have a few minutes. Then stop talking. Take the case and go to the back exit.
That's Director Cole.
And Lewis? Lewis will take the blame. He knows the room. He has the keys. Everyone will believe it was him.
They're stealing the scepter and blaming Guard Lewis.
After tonight, I'm gone. After tonight, I am free.
We have to find Lewis.
What was that? Someone is here.
Run!
Find them and get the scepter now!
Anna, what is that? It's moving! Don't scream.
They went this way. Hurry!
I'm scared. Me too. But we have to move. Anna, it's coming closer.
Anna? Peter? What are you doing here?
Director Cole is chasing us. He made the alarm go off. He wants to steal the Golden Scepter and blame you.
Blame me?
Yes, we heard him.
Come with me, quickly. Tell me exactly what you heard.
Director Cole was with another guard.
Yes.
They said the alarm worked. They said you would take the blame.
I knew something was wrong. Director Cole kept asking about cameras and the back exit.
That long case.
No, they already took it.
Where are they going?
The back exit.
If they leave, the scepter is gone.
And I lose everything.
Not yet. We can still stop them.
We should tell Mom and Dad.
We call Dad. Dad, we're safe. Peter is with me. Guard Lewis is here too.
Thank goodness.
Dad, listen. Director Cole stole the Golden Scepter.
Please call the police. Tell them to go to the back exit.
I understand. Stay hidden.
Are they okay?
We're okay, Mom. Don't worry. Stay outside, okay?
Will the police come in time?
Then we slow them down. With the animals?
Maybe.
Not to hurt them, just to keep them here.
Then listen carefully. There are two ways to the back exit. The shortest way is through a staff corridor. The other way goes through the 3D hall.
If they take the wrong turn here, they go into this hall.
You're right.
Then we make them take that turn.
I can dim one corridor and light the other. Then I can start the 3D system.
Mammoth?
Yes.
Saber-tooth cat too?
Yes. Anna will watch the monitors. Peter will trigger the sound when she gives the signal. Stay here. Do not leave this room.
We won't.
If something goes wrong, call your father again.
Be careful.
I will. My children are still inside with one guard. The thieves are heading to the back exit. We're moving now. This way looks wrong. Keep moving.
Get ready.
Ready.
Now.
What was that? Just a projection. Keep moving. I don't like this place. Then walk faster.
Peter. Ready?
Ready.
Now.
That sounded real! It was a speaker. Stop panicking. No! No, no, no! It is only light! Careful! I'm leaving! Pick it up! Move! We are almost there.
They're turning.
Good. Keep watching.
Lewis! Put the case down, Director Cole. It's over. Stay back. This does not concern you anymore. It concerns me very much. You plan to blame me. Let's just go. Quiet. Police are outside. I don't believe you. I saw them! Then we move now!
They're still going.
That's okay. We only need a little more time.
Another sound?
Yes.
Hey! This is your fault. Stop talking and open the door. You said this would be easy. Open it! Stop right there! Put the case down! I didn't want this! Say nothing. Hands where we can see them. It's finished. Where are my children? They're safe. They're in the control room.
Thank goodness.
Is it over?
I think so.
Anna! Peter! I was so worried.
Are you okay?
Yes. I was really scared.
I know, but you both did very well. Let us make sure.
It's still there.
Golden Cobra.
Yes, safe at last. You thought clearly, and you stayed brave.
I almost pressed the wrong button. But you didn't.
Thank you for helping them.
They helped me too. More than that, they helped save the museum. Brave people are not always fearless. Sometimes they are afraid. But they still do the right thing.
I was afraid.
Me too. That's okay. What matters is what you do next.
And next time?
We stay with you.
We don't walk off alone.
Good, that is exactly right.
I still thought that dinosaur was real.
For a moment, I almost believed it too. Now let's go back to my question from the beginning. Let's see who was watching carefully.
What was on top of the Pharaoh's golden scepter?
The answer is only 2 words. Did you find it?
If you did, write your answer in the comments.
Even one short answer is perfect.
We want to see who remembers. See you next time!